Picked up this used CountyLine 6-foot rake, and I'm going to give it a whirl here. I've been fooling around with it a little bit, but you know, people buy these things, they use them a couple times, and they get rid of them. So there it is, CountyLine 6-foot rake. See what we can get done with this thing. Seems like it's pretty cool once I learn how to work it. Alright, so smooth operator I may not be. First time really using this rake. And like all this stuff, the more you use it, the better you get. But I mean, the rake seems alright. Just have to learn how to use it better. But may have to get a regular rake, a manual rake, and rake this stuff around a little better. But alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to go do some knotweed next with this thing, because that's why we really bought it. To rake some knotweed area and try and smooth that out so I can mow it. Alright, thanks for watching.